Welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today we will be doing the fundamental analysis of a company which is one of the most famous company in this whole world and remains in news most of the time due to its new projects and launches. The CEO of the company is one of the most famous personalities in this whole world and is also one of the richest men in this whole world. So I am talking about none other than Tesla, and the CEO of the company is none other than Elon Musk. So today we will be doing the fundamental analysis of Tesla, but before starting you can subscribe our channel and also follow us on our Instagram handle Being Business 2021. So here we go. So if we talk about Tesla, so Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. Tesla's current products include electric cars, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, solar panels and solar roof tiles, as well as other related products and services. The CEO of the company is Elon Musk from October 2008. The headquarters of the company are in Palo Alto, California, United States. It was founded on 1st July 2003 in San Carlos, California, United States. Number of employees are 70,757 as per 2020. Revenue was 3,154 crores USD as per December 2020. The subsidiaries of the company are SolarCity, Tesla Insurance, Maxwell Technologies and more. Founders of the company are Elon Musk, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. So if we talk about the quarterly financials of the company, so as per March 2021, the revenue of the company was 1.04 trillion crore and it went up by 73.58%. Net income was 43.8 crore and it went up by 2637.5%. Diluted EPS was 0.39 and it went up by 1850%. Net profit margin was 4.22% and it went up by 1462.96%. Operating income was 49.3 crore and it went up by 74.2%. Net change in cash was minus 217.8 crore and it went down by 223.47%. Cash on hand was 1.71 trillion crore and it went up by 112.14%. Cost of revenue was 817.4 crore and it went up by 72.05%. So if we talk about the quarterly financials of the company as per December 2020, so the revenue was 1.07 trillion crore and it went up by 45.55%. Net income was 27 crore and it went up by 157.14%. Diluted EPS was 0.24 and it went up by 100%. Net profit margin was 2.51% and it went up by 76.76%. Operating income was 57.5 crore and it went up by 65.71%. Net change in cash was 489.8 crore and it went up by 411.81%. Cash on hand was 1.94 trillion crore and it went up by 209.25%, and the cost of revenue was 867.8 crore and it went up by 44.8%. So the quarterly financials of the company both of March 2021 and December 2020 was just awesome, which shows that the fundamentals of the company are really strong. And if the fundamentals of the company are really strong, the annual reports of the company are really strong, the business model of the company are really strong, so it is good to invest. And let me tell you, before investing in any company, you should actually do the fundamental analysis of a company. The fundamental analysis of the company includes to study the business model of the company and to judge that can the company do better in the near future, and also to study the annual reports of the company to judge the results of the company as per each quarter. And also we can actually see the advertisements of the company, which will also help us to study the business model of the company. After studying all these factors, then only we should invest in a stock. So the annual reports of the company were really good. So now let me talk about the business model of the company. So in 2020, Tesla had the highest sales in the plug-in and battery electric passenger car segments, capturing 16% of the plug-in market, which includes plug-in hybrids, and 23% of the battery electric purely electric market. Through its subsidiary Tesla Energy, the company develops and is a major installer of solar photo voltaic energy generation systems in the United States. Tesla Energy is one of the largest global suppliers of battery energy storage systems with 3 gigawatt hour of battery storage supplied in 2020. So if we talk about the industries which it covers, so it covers automotive industries, battery energy storage and solar energy generation. So if we talk about that where the company is spread, so it is spread in North America, Europe, Australia, New Zealand and East Asia. The services given by the company are vehicle servicing, charging, insurance, software upgrades and improved connectivity. So if we talk about the business strategy of the company, which is actually a major factor, so it is given that at the time of Tesla's founding, electric vehicles were very expensive. Tesla's strategy was to first produce high-priced, low-volume vehicles such as sports cars for which customers are less sensitive to price. This would allow them to progressively bring down the cost of batteries, which in turn would allow them to offer cheaper and higher volume cars. Tesla's first vehicle, the Roadster, was low volume, less than 2,500 were produced and priced at over $1 lakh. The next model, the Model S and Model X, are more affordable but still luxury vehicles. The most recent model, the Model 3 and the Model Y, are priced still lower and aimed at a higher volume market, selling over 1 lakh vehicles each quarter. Tesla continuously updates the hardware of its cars rather than waiting for a new model year as opposed to nearly every other car manufacturer. So first of all, the Tesla does not pay for direct advertisement. The company aims to educate customers through its showrooms situated in malls and other high traffic areas and sells its vehicles online rather than through a conventional dealer network. The company is the first automaker in the United States to sell cars directly to consumers. So if we talk about the technology of Tesla, so Tesla was the first automaker to use batteries containing thousands of small cylindrical lithium-ion commodity cells like those used in consumer electronics. Tesla uses a version of these called cells that is designed to be cheaper to manufacture and lighter than standard cells by removing some safety features. According to Tesla, these features are redundant because of the advanced thermal management system and chemical in the battery to prevent fires. So this was the business model of the company. So if we talk about the share price of the company, so the share price of the company on 26th May was more than $600. But you have a question that since the last one the company share was continuously falling, but let me tell you now the the share of the company has recovered and is now trading at a price above than 600. And let me tell you, a few time back the share also went to a price of $738, and this is the best time to invest in this company because the business model of the company is also very good, the annual reports of the company is very good, and it is now trading at a lower price than it was a few time back. So you can invest in this company. This is my advice. So here I end my video. So please like, share and comment, and you can also subscribe our channel and follow us on our Instagram handle Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. So thanks for watching.